Welcome, Python Web Conference, folks. I am joined today by one of our speakers. If you came last year to the conference, you will recognize Daniel. He was actually one of our amazing Lightning Talk speakers from last year. And Octopus Energy was actually very involved in the conference. Daniel, give a quick introduction to folks and tell us a little about yourself.
Hi, my name is Daniel Roy Greenfeld. You might know me in some social media circles as PyDanny. I am one of the co-authors of the 2 Scoops of Django series. I've done a bunch of open source work. Currently, I work for Kraken Technologies, which is part of Octopus Energy Group, and our focus is on providing retail energy to renewable electricity or renewable sourced electricity around the planet.
So this year, you'll be speaking at Python Web Conference. Give folks a little teaser for what they can hope to hear.
Sure. So right now in the world of the modern Python web, there are a number of frameworks that are popular. The 3 most popular would be Django and Django, FastAPI, and Flask, but there's also some other ones that are constantly in use. There's Pyramid, which doesn't have the same adoption, but has some really neat features. And then, of course, there's Tornado, and a lot of people might be wondering, why am I bringing up Tornado? Well, Jupyter Notebook, right, is powered by it. So it's, Tornado is actually maybe the most installed Python web framework. I don't know. I don't have numbers, but it wouldn't surprise me. But anyway, often I get people who say, hey, what should I do? Should I do Django, FastAPI, or Flask? I don't necessarily think that Django is the answer for everything. And I would like to get out like, hey, these are the frameworks that are out there. These are the criteria that I'm using. And this is why I use what I use. And I'm really opinionated, although I value the effort and contributions of everybody in all these frameworks. So this isn't like a dig on someone because their framework like it's the wrong color. It's more, from a business perspective, what makes sense to be using.
Yeah, you'll be joining us all week for the conference. What are you looking forward to during Python WebConf?
Oh my goodness. What I always like about these events is stumbling across things I didn't know, or a different way of doing something I'm already doing.
All right. Well, I look forward to seeing you in just a couple short weeks. We'll be here March 13th through the 17th. Go to pythonwebconf.com and join us all for the fun. Thanks, Danny, for being with us.